How to apply effects in Ocenaudio. First of all, open Ocenaudio and import the audio file you want to edit by clicking on File and then Open. You can also drag and drop the file directly into the workspace. Once your file is loaded, select the portion of the audio where you want to apply the effect. If you want the effect to apply the entire track, just make sure nothing is selected. Now, go to the top menu and click on Effects. This will open a drop-down list with all available effects like Equalization, Delay, Amplitude, Normalize, Noise Reduction, Time and Pitch, and more. Click on the effect you want to use. Here, I will use the filter effect on my selected audio. Under the filter effect, I am choosing the Lowpass Filter. A new window will appear where you can adjust the parameters of the effect. Ocenaudio gives you a real-time preview so you can hear the changes before applying them. This helps you fine-tune your effect settings without permanently altering your audio. Once you are satisfied with the preview, click Apply and the effect will be added to the selected portion. If you want to undo the effect, just press Ctrl+Z to go back. You can also stack multiple effects one after another if needed. And that's it. Now you know how to apply effects in Ocenaudio. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.